Welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh into stock, we have this 2015 Ford Kuga. Finished in Moondust Silver metallic. It's a titanium spec. It's a 2-litre diesel TDCI. It has a Sony navigation, Bluetooth sync, and it has a reverse camera. Privacy glass, alloy wheels, 6-speed gearbox. It's a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, automatic lights. It's also a Euro 6 engine, so it's ULEZ compliant. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or if you want to make an appointment to have a look at the car, please don't hesitate to give us a call, or you can email me on sales@hypermotive.co.uk.